Assalamu alaikum everyone, and a very healthy good morning to all of you. How are you students? I hope you all are fine and stay safe at your home. So today we will do an activity. We'll learn today how to make a bird in an interesting way. Okay? So let's begin. First of all, we will draw letter B. I hope you all know how to make letter B. You know, this is letter B. B for ball. We know now. After that, we will mark a point here to make its beak. Draw a slanting line, one more slanting line, and one slipping line. This is a bird's beak. After that, we will make its eye, and for that we will draw and one more circle inside it. Okay, this is the eye of bird. Now we will make its wings, and for that, from this point we will draw two slanting lines, one like this and other one like this. You can take the help of your scale. After that, we will make one C, one more C, two more C. Okay, C for cat. You can easily draw. In this way, we have its wings. Now, to make its claws, we will draw two W. You all know how to make W. So, one W is here, another one is here. We have made its claws, and now we will draw two free lines. Okay, two free lines, something like slanting lines. Draw two circles, one is here, another one is on this edge. Okay, this is the twig on which the bird is sitting. In this way, we can draw a bird very easily. I hope you all like it. Try to draw at your home with the help of your parents, and after that we will fill colors in it, and for that we will fill red color here. Okay, fill slowly to make it more beautiful, like this. And we can fill yellow color or whatever you like. Okay, you will fill here. In the same way, we will fill yellow color here also. Again, in the wings, we'll fill orange color or whatever yours favorite you can fill. Okay, but slowly. In twig, we will fill green color because this is the twig of a tree. We all know what is the color of a tree. It's green. So in this way we have made a beautiful bird. You can also draw a bird with the help of this method. I hope you all like my video. Try to draw the bird at your home. Okay? Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.